Welcome back to the 23rd match in round 1 of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores currently have Catherine Hall Primary on 20 points and Ardenne Prep on 8 points. So earlier in the science face-off, Ardenne was asked, what happens to an object if it receives the same amount of force in the opposite directions? They gave an incorrect answer. We asked Catherine Hall Primary the question off air. They got it correct. So the final scores are Catherine Hall Primary on 20 points, Ardenne Prep on 8. So it's now time to move into the third section, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer, or if they answer before being identified. So teams, with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with local affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person. President of the Jamaica Civil Service Association, O'Neill Grant. Sports. The Ashes Test matches in cricket are played between which countries? England and Australia. Bible knowledge. On what occasion did Abraham tell his son Isaac that the Lord would provide?
When they went to, when God,
When he was going to sacrifice.
Catherine Hall.
When he was told to give his son for an offering.
Correct. Science. What is the name for the brightly colored modified leaves that surround the reproductive parts of flowers? Catherine Hall.
Petals.
Correct. English language. To which animal does the adjective caprine refer? A goat. Music. Complete the title of this album by Bob Marley and the Wailers. Rastaman. Ardenne.
Live on Mount Zion.
Incorrect. Vibration. General knowledge. The country formerly known as Northern Rhodesia is called what today? Zambia. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actress. Audrey Reed. Mathematics. What is the product of 2.87 and 0.01? .0287. Social studies. Each endeavoring, all achieving is the national motto of which Caribbean country? Antigua and Barbuda. Television. In the 2019 movie The Lion King, who voices the role of Simba? Donald Glover. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person. Demish Gay, Jamaican athlete. Bible knowledge. Who was the daughter of Leah and Jacob? Dinah. Science. What is the name of the long, slender stalk that connects the stigma and the ovary in a flower? Catherine Hall.
Style.
Correct. English language. By using the word shoulder, give an expression which means to ignore someone. Ardenne.
To give the cold shoulder.
Correct. Music. How many notes are there on a pentatonic scale? 5. Jamaican heritage. What does the Jamaican word maga mean? Catherine Hall.
Slim. Slim.
Correct. Local affairs. What is the full name of the ministry headed by the Honorable Audley Shaw?
Ministry of
Catherine Hall.
Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries.
Correct. Mathematics. A sum of $156 is shared in the ratio 1 to 5 to 6. What is the largest sum? $78. Social studies. Which major town and parish capital in Jamaica is located on the Rio Minho? That is the Bell, so the answer would have been May Pen. So that is the end of the last round and the end of today's match. The final scores now read Catherine Hall Primary on 32 points and Ardenne Prep on 6 points. So well done to Catherine Hall Primary, and well tried to Ardenne Prep. Please stay with us. We'll wrap things up after these messages.